Dancehall artiste Beenie Man has been fined $150,000 for breaching the Disaster Risk Management Act. The fine was imposed when he appeared in the St. Elizabeth Parish Court today. Beenie Man had pleaded not guilty, but subsequently changed his plea to guilty last month when he appeared in court to answer charges. The entertainer was charged last December for breaching the Disaster Risk Management Act and the Noise Abatement Act as he hosted an illegal party at a location in St. Elizabeth. The Noise Abatement Act charge was later dismissed. Fame Frequency was the official After Champs party. The live televised event pulled over 18,000 viewers on YouTube. The breakout hitmakers, the Accent Nation Boss, gave fans a superb performance as social media went blazing with the fire emojis for their two current hits, Ambition and Humans, respectively.
Anytime your heart too big, my lord, then we take you for a fool. This is why me not like humans. This is why me not like humans. No, no.
Give me a big ear cut over. Jump, just inside, girl, breathe up. Child support that lead up. A farming over blasting. Investment over braffing. Inheritance for me seeds.
Nation Boss, in an interview with RETV, says he still doesn't know how he turned into an overnight sensation.
Just made a random freestyle one morning. I was running a rhythm on my phone. Just made a random freestyle, posted it on my WhatsApp status. Someone took it down, sent it viral. You know what I mean? Up to date, I don't even know who that person is, but give thanks for that person as well.
And Yaxter, who is repping the success of his single Ambition, was delighted for the support.
No, Ambition is there doing his thing, you know. It's like wrapped up by about 4.1 million views. You know, still going forward. The love from the radios, you know, it's just exponential.
The Fame Frequency DJs and the VIPs represented their alma maters, all decked out in their ties and school colors. There was even a cheerleader complimented by stans and a track that had the broadcast event at #1, as always, of course, on Twitter. And speaking of trending, now Sunday, Miss Universe Jamaica, Michael Simone Williams was the hot topic as she ended the night in the top 10. The beauty trended all evening in Jamaica as the world tuned in for the televised pageant from Florida. The night, however, belonged to Andrea Meza from Mexico, who was crowned the 69th winner of the Miss Universe competition.